Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an inserted picture transparent in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select an image from our file and insert it. Now you can see here an image. Now we want to make the image transparent. Click right button and cut the image. Go to the insert menu. Select shape option. Choose the rectangle shape. Then draw the rectangle to this sheet. Go to the shape format menu. Choose the outline and make no outline. Then click the format shape option and choose picture or texture fill. Then select clipboard. We can see we paste the cutted picture. Then we can see here the transparency of picture. Now you want to make the picture transparent, increase or decrease the transparency. Now we go to the picture format menu and resize the image. Now I am resize this image. Now we can see we make a inserted picture transparent easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.